They create the same. They create the same 38 and 58 at the same time that 27 and 35. Okay, this will create 23. This will create 23. So 8 times 5 equals to 48 plus 5 equals to 53 over here. 3 times 8 equals to 24. 3 plus 8 equals to 11 equals to 35. Now we want to use the next level. This will create 19 over here. This will create 19. Minus and plus gives you the AI effect. EA, 5 and 1, is the Mars commanding the creation of the Christ. 6 and 6, the crossing. 6 and 6, the crossing. And the crossing is, if you use numeric fashion, the crossing in numeric fashion, okay, is 1, 3, 7, and 9. The thing is, when you use low shu replaces those numbers to 4, 2, 8, 6, unless low shu is actually doing this to the numbers, and where you're getting 9 and 1, because low shu turns everything on the 45-degree angle. The 45-degree angle will represent the fox and the sun. Letters are DD. At the same time, we have to take DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles, runs the 4, and in the 5, it runs the news. Department of Motor Vehicles and the news. Where do we get this from? This is the 5th letter over here. They're all 5 in Pythagorean count, and the 5 looks like the S, and it's the same number. So bring me the news, Department of Motor Vehicle, running the foxhole or the passage in the sun. This will create your E world. This is your 7, coming to your 7. So you actually put a 7 here, and then you put 5, 2, and then you put the 7. But the reality of this is this 7 is backwards, this 2 is backwards, and it's a 5. It's actually 7, 5, 7, and that's the numeric value for the moon. The same thing as the church and the gold, because gold is 7634, and the diameter of the moon is 3, 4, 7, and 6. And when I bring the lead wheel into this, give me a second. When we take this off, we have 34, 7, 3, 4, 6 right over here. The total is 57, and on this side 21, 35, 66, 75, 57, 75. This little thing that I made here, right? Can we see it? 2 hands at a time, like the hydrometer running on this side, right? And then there's this side. I didn't put that one on, and we could just slip that one on that side. And they even run the roulette table this way. So we have that, and then we have the word hopscotch over here. And in the word hopscotch, we want to understand that when you put H next to certain letters, right, it'll look like a T, or just looks like 10. So we have HO, H2O standing for 10. What is the link? The biggest link is water. Water and light is our link. And the numeric value to water is TERRA, okay, means earth. It can also mean retina, which means the eye or a rip. And this W is a BC creation, also going 2, 3. So WA will say ABC. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will equal to your 5. And you have ABC Jackson 5, just in the letters WA, beta creation. 24, 34, 44, and 5, 49, 59, 67. And remember, it can also go up to plus 6 because of the T. And that would bring you into Nibiru. Light would give you 21, and 15 is 36, 46. This you would get to 56. And then the T again, plus 6, 62. The Queen of Light is the water of the flow. So now we have these designs that came in here that link to find gold on the moon, or how about finding gold on the moon, or how about the numeric value for find gold at 9.9? Or are we talking silver? At the same time, Jupiter's number is 99. Now, if we want to bring this number, okay, anything to do with the number 9, you would add a 1 or you would minus 8. You would add a 7 or you would minus 2. Or you would add a 4 or minus 5. 258 147 on your phone. Minus that or add it. If you add them all, they're 9s, right? If you minus, you end up at 7. You end up with 5. You end up with 1 at the end. When you end up with 3 numbers, it's automatically 100. To get to this 100, it's 1010. 1010. 1 to 1. It's an even exchange. 1010, an even exchange creates 100. When you create 100, all zeros equal 6. It creates 616. Your highway 66 split by the 7th gate equals to your 13. Your 13 will have 1 square in the center and 6 down this way, 6 up this way. The total that goes around this area, 616, will be 13. 13 by 13 will be 169. There's 168 hours in the week, plus 1. There's the 1 that goes around. Remember, in order to get to the first hour, you have to be starting in another hour or period of time. This 157, okay, that has been transferred and created through what 9 is all about. So if you're reading tarot cards or whatever you're thinking about 9, this is what 9 will do. On the left side of your new number pad, it'll create 12, it'll create 15, it'll create 18. It'll create, 13. It'll create 12, it'll create 15, and it'll create 13. Over here, the numeric value 7 and 5, 12, and 1 is 13. Red, red, red. Black, 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 red. 510 is over here. This one over here, red, red, is 8-4. 8-4 stands for Pluto. 510 or 5 and 1 is Mars. And this is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 3 is altered current. And that's the numeric value. I'm hoping that you understood this whole video. The numeric value for gold, okay, the total for gold is 13 and 7 is 20. That's the Pythagorean count. And gold is 7, 22, 32, 33, 34, 38. The numeric value for gold is 38. So now we're back to the same numeric value for 3 and 8 in church. The train ride, 38, inside the matrix. So if we added up the matrix numbers again, I stopped adding it up. You see where it shows 9, right? 24, 9 is 33. So 33, 71, 81, 91. There's a 24 and 9 is 33. And 38 equals to 71. This is already counted. 71 and 14 equals to 85. 2 silver spirit matrix. Spirit is 91. So we're just going to leave this Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.